the story of two colleagues who became friends and then ultimately business partners. V. Shekhar and N. Mohan, two Chennai engineers, were living their lives working a 9-to-5 job, commuting in the company bus every day. It was a common occurrence to see V. Shekhar, the production head of the company, constantly disagree with N. Mohan, the maintenance head, over a variety of issues. And then the inspiration suddenly struck them. Why not fight over their own company rather than someone else's? And so Formulated Polymers, a company dedicated to manufacturing engineering plastics, was born.
We are first generation entrepreneurs. Okay. We started in the year 1993, and that was the period when credit use was at the peak. And securing a loan or even opening a current account with a state bank was a very big job.
The idea of putting a project in Chennai, where we both belong to Chennai, we started a unit in SIDCO. So we started up with a small beginning, with especially when the credit was very high, skills was very high. So at that time we started the unit. But functionally, if you look at it, I am a strong mechanical engineer, and he is a strong chemical engineer. And that input, he had the marketing background, and I had the manufacturing project background. So we both, that has given us the idea to start.
But the gulf between ideas and execution can be a huge one, especially for first-generation entrepreneurs. And with V. Shekhar and N. Mohan, it was no different. Massive credit problems in the beginning, coupled with high interest rates, took their toll on the young entrepreneurs. Add to that a highly technical product that was still being accepted by the industry, and Formulated Polymers could not really take off until almost 7 years after its inception. A timely infusion of funds from Tamil Nadu Industrial Corporation was just the shot in the arm that the company needed. And since then, there has been no looking back.
The real confidence or the real start started after 2000, okay, about 7 years of starting the project, okay, wherein industry started believing us, okay. We already had some products in our various automobiles, textile machineries and all that. And then we could visualize, okay, that we are going to grow much faster.
Initial funding aside, getting together a crack R&D team has been one of the bases for Formulated Polymers' continued success. The company has been extremely design responsive since the very beginning and invests almost 38% of its bottom line in R&D. Starting with just 2 polymers, the company currently manufactures 11 polymers and 350 polymer grade varieties. And with the rigorous following of the 5-day benchmark, that of providing customized products within 5 days of having the final customer requirements, it is no surprise that Formulated Polymers has 450 fully satisfied customers today.
Over the 13 years period, our R&D has developed grades in different polymers like nylon 6, nylon 6,6, polypropylene, polyphenylene oxide, some critical engineering grades like nylon 12, PPS and nylon 4,6. We have a close relationship with customers. A lot of cooperative programs has been conducted with the customers, and our most of the grade are customer specific. It meets the customer requirements fully. Our strength in R&D department is during the design, the understanding of the customer requirements will take more time. It helps us to remove the trial failures.
It is this primary focus on quality that has enabled Formulated Polymers to garner some major quality certifications in the last few years. And with a specialization in underbonnet applications, FPL's polymers are bringing about a revolution in the Indian auto industry. Polymer usage by weight in a Maruti 800, for example, stands at 140 kilos today, up from a measly 18 kilos in the beginning. This has enabled introduction of lighter vehicles without compromising on safety and durability. FPL's client list reads like a who's who of the Indian auto industry and includes stalwarts such as Maruti, Hyundai, Ford, Tata, TVS, Hero Honda and Bajaj.
We have got 450 operating customers.
We are also exporting to Asia, Middle East Asia and European countries. Meeting specific product or customer specific polymers. We are also exporting to Asia, Middle East Asia and European countries. Meeting specific product or customer specific product, offering at a good quality with a reasonable price. We always give a quality consistent product. We have been working in the industry for the past 16 years with catering all the industries. 65% of our product goes to automotive industry, 20% of our product goes to electrical and electronic industry, balance 15% goes to pump, textile and domestic appliances.
With the whole concept of research and development geared towards the client, it is no wonder how far Formulated Polymers has come in the short while since its operations began. And with highly qualified directors at the helm, problem solving as a virtue is something that starts at the top and trickles down right to the bottom. Regular client meetings ensure that the needs of the clients are understood and met, which in turn guarantee an impeccable client experience. On this solid foundation, Formulated Polymers is indeed all set to scale its self-stated aim of 250 crore rupee revenues by 2012.
Understanding the customer requirement, the specifications and more than the expected what the customer. We are very happy with Formulated Polymers Limited, and whatever the products we are getting from them is meeting the all quality norms, and it is the delivery and the pricing, the new technology, especially any new developments, we are able to have a mutually development association with this Formulated Polymers Limited.
V. Shekhar and N. Mohan pin the success of their company on the decentralized decision-making structure that exists in the company, one that seeks to empower and enrich each employee's working experience. Taking this inclusive approach to success has paid rich dividends for Formulated Polymers till now, and the company looks well placed to continue on this road to success in the future too.